This for her. This for flows for her and new garden. Otherwise, the germs can be affected. Hoihvung. So what you bring today? What problem you have?
Cavity.
Cavity?
Mm-hmm.
So you get pain on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check, okay? How old are you?
4.
4, okay. So you go to school?
Yeah.
What grade are you in now?
Kindergarten.
Oh, so wow. Great, kindergarten. So you know ABCD, how to sing?
Yeah.
Can you sing for me? Please?
Okay.
Okay. Can you sing now or later?
Later.
Okay, good. Let's see you.
Waiting girl, just busy with picture. I don't know.
I don't know what she's doing anyways.
Hi.
Okay. Oof.
Bahan.
Look, she has some pluck on it. This much. Okay. Holding my tum. Now you are done. Okay? Come. Don't forget to brush your teeth twice a day, okay?
Okay.
After you get up and before you sleep, okay? Otherwise, the dirty can become plaques and that plaque can make your teeth cavity. Which means some holes on your teeth. Sing your ABC sound with your sparkling teeth. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time I'm kissing Lucky. Bye bye. See you next time.